fuel, give me fire. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. Hope you like this video. If you do, please hit me a like and subscribe. That would be great. So, we got this 72 short wide Chevy and we're building a 427 for it. Kind of going all out. Definitely intending on building a really nice motor for it. And it's taking a little longer than wanted, and we needed some pulleys and accessories, stuff like that, and brackets, and all that stuff. I mean, it was going to be $300-400. So what we did is we actually found a 454, complete motor, carb to pan, everything that we needed for $500. Guy didn't know anything about it, and so we ended up just getting that. Figured, you know, we could take whatever we want off of it and maybe resell the motor or whatever. So we ended up getting it home and finding an issue with it, which you'll see, and got it running. Piece of cake. There was nothing wrong with it. So we got this stupid idea that we would just kill our Friday night by welding the diff in this truck, swapping the small block for the 454 temporarily, going out, having some fun with it. The next day there was a drift racing event going on at the local track. So stay tuned, and it was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy. Peace. And here it is, the motor we picked up. I believe it's a 1975 454. Does say it's a high performance motor in here somewhere. Can't quite see it. Give me a minute. But as you can see, this distributor cap is not locked down in the back, and that's exactly how we got it. So guessing that's why it wasn't running. And you can see like some wear inside the cap and right on the center point there where it was rubbing, where the coil power comes from. So pretty awesome. We got a good deal on her, and we're hoping we can just slap another cap on here, clean this one up and put it on proper, and it'll run. But here's the high performance passenger motor. We got this out of a truck though, and it's got the hooker headers that are super rusty, so we're probably not going to use them. But everything else looks good. Go for it. And here's the 427. You can see it's got the factory domed pop-up pistons. Give it 11-to-1 compression. It's only a 2-bolt main, but it is high performance, and it's got a forged steel crank. It's been all lightened up and everything. We got some really nice aluminum heads for it. Should be pretty sweet. Just need to pick out a cam and get all these accessories on there, and can finish setting this motor up. It'll be awesome. But in the meantime, we will get to work on swapping this 454 in there.
Need some starting fluid.
You need some starting fluid?
Yeah.
I have some starting fluid. Could have had an explosion.
Yeah, that's scary.
Don't drop across battery.
How do you keep this choke open on this stupid thing? Metal junk. This stuff doesn't work very good. It's a big block. We need a lot of fuel. This thing lost all its aerosol when I dropped it, I think.
Did it?
I don't know. It doesn't work. Poke a hole in it. Might be the next best option. All right. See what she does. Shot oil right up the side. There's a hole in the block. Or just whatever. They had an oil cooler or something. And and power steering fluid. That was awesome.
Progress check.
Yeah. Out with the old, in with the old. Here she comes, in all her glory. Show us what you're working with. Low-powered 454. Bam. We got her in, boys. And it's really, really early in the morning. Not sitting too bad. And we just gotta see if she runs. Phone. Time is it?
Pocket.
Show me.
It is 440. Just how I like my Dodge engines.
So close. We got that pop. It's running like poop, but it is running. We did it. Definitely needs some work on the timing. Weak. Well, we got it timed with the timing light, but the idle's too low. Won't stay running, so I need to do some adjustification here. Now it's all timed in. So now it's all timed in. Should start right up. Set the idle too low. That should do it. Oh yeah, she's running like a champ. There you have it, folks. Just about 12 hours or 10 hours, one night. Small block to big block. She's running. And we also got some suspension travel here. Just gonna lifted the front end up again with some different coils. We cut like 1.5 coil out, I believe. Turn the lights on. Oh yeah, looking tough. Nice and long. Like it like that. Oh, it doesn't fit. Are you kidding me? Has to fit. Dude, it doesn't fit.
Huh?
This Edelbrock cheesy wing nut that didn't come with a stud doesn't even fit on there.
What? It's not quarter 20?
It's made in Taiwan. What do you expect? Doesn't have that Chinese quality.
Shitty fucking mirror bracket.
Thickness.
Whoops.
Question is, do you want the Edelbrock facing straight on so you let them know what's coming?
Yeah.
That ought to do it. Roast them! That's better. Let it rip. As you can see, it's already nighttime. We went to the drift event already, and we'll get to that footage here in a minute. We can get for some moonlight action here. That's all we got. Not too bad for a junkyard 454, I'd say. And here's the 1990 Nissan Silvia we'll be riding in at the track today.
The track's a lot smoother, so it's a lot better. I want to take the bag. What's up?
Oh yeah, get all up in his door. He's gonna hate that. that. All right, thanks for watching, guys. That's it for this time. We'll see you on the next adventure. God bless you.